In today's journey, we take our 25mm brew system out for a test spin. And if you don't believe us on the size of the system, here's a dime for comparison. And for those that think that brewing in such small quantities is dumb, then why don't you start your own YouTube channel about your one barrel system? Our main objective here is to see how small effects affect the bigger beer at large. Such as, did anyone notice that there was a lot of strike water that went missing the moment we turned on the pump and before the hose fell out? This is just one of the many mysterious factors that changes why beer tastes different brewed on different systems, because of all these minute changes that no one pays attention to. Unfortunately, we weren't really paying attention to the recipe we were making, as we were more worried about whether the system would actually work versus it making beer. And we'll go over a more detailed overview of our entire system later, but it does include its own control panel, Raspberry Pi, and Arduino to control the mash temperatures and do the temperature data logging. And in the future, it will end up completely autonomous. Now you sit back and enjoy the first time we ever actually use music on this channel, because we're going to use this opportunity to learn what we screwed up. Comment below if you think you could do a better job. Well, other than completely overshooting the mash temperature and other mistakes that were definitely made, we definitely learned a lot. So once we get a chance to fix what we screwed up and upgrade the system a bit, we'll come back and brew an actual beer and record its fermentation from start to finish. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you can't bother to do that, at least watch some of our other videos. We do everything from making organic prison hooch to drinking with danger.